What's going on, guys?
What's up?
We're out here working on the FunTruck.
Dude, I was so proud of this when I made it. And it just sucks.
What happened to the, you put these little tabs back here?
Yeah, I put some stuff to make them stick, and some 3M double-sided, and I totally thought it would stick and keep them from shaking, and it kept the outside too from shaking for a while, but then the tape just got all gross and dirty, and it didn't stick anymore. I thought I was being like a real engineer. But not at all. Not close.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Today we're building a new kind of front light bar for the F150. I built this one a while back. It worked for holding the lights up, but they shake real bad. I should have replaced it sooner, but I didn't. So now we're taking the time to do that. We're going to cut some steel, we're going to weld it, and bolt it to the truck, see how well that holds up. In an effort to keep this as simple as possible, I think what we're going to end up doing is welding a plate right across here, right across this hole. We are going to weld these bars to the plate that come straight out, and then we'll have this coming across this way. Hopefully this piece of tubular steel will hold these lights up. They're pretty big and they're pretty heavy. So apparently Ronnie's vise is from the Middle Ages, or possibly from the Dark Ages. This is ridiculous. It looks like it came out of some sort of torture chamber.
That's how you know it's a real fight. You have a handgun on the back.
Yeah, because we're going to be making swords or whatever. Well, that was pretty quick. Plate number one's done. All we gotta do is make another one. I ran into my first little snag. I'm trying to get in. I marked my holes here and I'm drilling them. And I'm trying to get to these back here that I marked. And I can't get there because of that piece of plastic. But you know, it's plastic. So it's gonna get this treatment right here. Hey, look who came over. It's Matty Matt.
Yep.
He's a fan of the green and yellow dudes. Right?
I think they're called the Turd Packers.
The Turd Packers?
Definitely not.
Is that what they're called?
Nope.
Definitely not? Alright, whatever. What are you doing over here?
I had to drop off as a weed whacker.
The weed whacker? So you can whack weeds?
No, I just needed the battery for the good drill.
Ow. It's Ted. Dude, Clara sounds so good. Where is she?
This cool thing.
Ted, you hit her behind the bush.
Behind the bush.
Dang. Yeah, we heard her all the way from the highway.
I imagine so.
I was like, who is this coming here? And Beau was like, oh, it's Ted. And I was like, oh, Ted's coming over? He's like, yeah. And I was like, oh, all right.
So, like we said on our Instagram story the other night, Ted just turboed his Outback, and it still looks like Mom's Outback, but it sounds pretty beastly, and it's pretty fast.
So here it is. The Grandma Outback. Super stock. And then we have the business under the hood. There she is. You know the losers like them turbers. So, this is Ted's. How long you been doing this thing, Ted?
This is coming on, I think, 4 months.
4 months. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. This is all you guys are gonna see. We're gonna do a Ted video, whether it's just on this car or on one of his 7 cars or all of his 7 cars.
5 cars.
5 cars in a truck. Anyways, so look forward to that. If you guys like interesting builds that aren't, you know, I don't even know. Like, this is kind of obscure. It's kind of like the hard body. You know, it's not something that you see every day. Subaru STIs and WRXs are all over the place. Even Foresters. But turbo Outbacks, definitely something different. Definitely something different.
Ronnie keeps trying to get his son to say that my truck is bunk. That's no good.
He said it first. I didn't even tell him to when we were taking off the lights.
Whatever. I don't believe that at all, even though I was there.
Tell him that it's bunk. Say bunk.
Anyway.
He points at you now. He's like, I tell you what we're saying.
So we're done with these plates right here and here. Now we're gonna weld this rod right here. Ish. Plates are made. Our little shorties are made, and we just gotta tack them and make sure they are long enough and short enough and the right size or whatever. So I'm about to do some welding. Haven't welded in a while, but we're gonna see how this goes. My welding skills, if you can see that, aren't super awesome, but we're
even call them skills.
It's skills. It's some skill. This is actually a pretty nice deal that we've got this welder and this plasma cutter. Before, we've always had to go to somebody else to cut our stuff and weld our stuff, pretty much make anything that we need. But being able to do this really speeds things along. And hopefully it'll help us hone our skills. What are you looking for?
Just something to bolt.
So this is where we're at so far. What do you think, Ronnie?
Bowser's over there. He's like dead. You hear him snoring from here.
The dog's dead. Oh, he's not dead. He just looked dead.
It looks pretty good. Oh, dude, it's perfectly long enough.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's excellent. How's it look?
They're professional.
Look at these professional welds. My goodness. All right, Ronnie, hold that up. See that, folks? We have made a towel bar. The biggest towel bar ever made for a bathroom.
At least 3 towels in it.
Right on. At least 3 towels. That's lots of towels. It's pretty jank. I think it's going to work, though. What we've decided to do is take the little clips that hold the lights on, and we're just going to weld them directly to this bar. I think that's probably going to be the easiest and probably the most solid way to do this.
Let's make sure we can do it first, actually. Yep.
Okay, so we just checked it with a magnet to make sure we could weld it. Good thinking.
Tabs are on. Pulling magnets. They come off with a magnet. We didn't do a good job.
Right. Dang.
Called him out.
There it is, right there.
What do you think about that, Beau?
It's my skill. I mean, it's what I anticipated. You know, I didn't expect to be a pro. So
Have to clean it up a little bit.
we'll hit it again. Time for a little painting. Painting with Ronnie. So Ronnie's paint booth is the back of his hard body. It seems disrespectful to me.
People hate me enough with how I treat this truck. I probably shouldn't tell them these things.
So I think we're just about done with this thing. It's looking really good. So Ronnie says his welds look like we paid somebody to do it, which I seriously doubt.
Not that one.
I guess a select few looked decent.
That one looks good. This one looks alright. That one looks good.
Whatever. Anyway, they're on, and they're on way better from what they were. They're not as shaky anymore. More importantly, we had a lot of fun doing this. This is the first time we've welded together and fabricated together. I think we're gonna get married now. That's like a requisite for marriage, right?
I guess. I mean, it works for me. As long as you open up a fab shop.
Who wants to see me propose on YouTube to Ronnie? Because that might happen right now.
Hey, it's legal in Arizona.
Anyways, so we're done. We're done with this little project here, and we're done with this video.
Hey, wait, hold on. Can you be married to 2 people?
Ooh, that's...
Do I have to get a divorce?
Is that polygamy? Is that bigamy? Is that polygamy?
Yeah, I think so.
It's one of those igamies.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know about igamies. I'm not a fan of pygmies, though.
What's a pygmy?
A pygmy?
Yeah.
Somebody comment below and tell Ronnie what a pygmy is. We're not even going to Google it. We're just going to wait until somebody comments and says what a pygmy is.
I'll never know.
Anyway, we're out.
Bye, guys.